Hey guys! So, today I have got these cotton pants, two of them, and I decided to upcycle them into a skirt. So, I selected this Pinteresty design right here. Now, let's get started. So, first let's open the pant, and I started with cutting the side edge of the pants. In the same way, I will cut both the front and back part of the pants. I started ripping the stitch at the crotch area to get the maximum part of the fabric, and I got these parts right here. Now let's mark the main bodice. Taking one piece of the collected fabric, keeping the straight side above, let's mark where we get 10 inch of length and 22 inch of width, and make a straight line down from there on both sides. Now let's fold this part like this. Checking again the measurements on fold, that is 11 inch of width, 10 inch of side length. And for the mid section of the skirt, I am taking 2 inch extra, that is total 12 inch of length for the slant part. Now we will connect the line here and cut it for the front part. Same goes for the back part as well. So I got these front and back part here. Going to open the front part. This is where we will place our frill number 1 here at the end and other one at the top of it here, that is 4.5 inch above the first layer. We will now mark 4.5 inch from there and make a line. It will be a slant line. Same goes for the back part as well. Now let's cut the fabric for the frill. Take another piece of the fabric and now I will cut a 5 inch length straight strips of about 35 inch width. I have cut 6 strips with almost same measurements. The length has to be the same for every piece. Now I cut this belt of measurement 3.25 inch of length and 42 inch of width in total. It is kept on fold. And now I will join the front and back part, keeping them right sides together and stitch here at the one side for now. Now I will attach the belt, keeping the belt at the right sides together on top of the skirt and stitch it straight till the end. So after this step, now I will again fold it like this, leaving behind the loop for the elastic band. And I'm going to stitch it right here. Now at the belt area, mark the elastic band's length, leaving behind the leftover space on the upper side. And make a straight stitch at the marked space on the upper side. Now insert the elastic band here and sew both the open sides of the belt. You can also make small stitches in between the belt area so that the elastic band stays intact. It is looking like this. Now keeping this aside, let's prepare all the frill parts. So on one side I will double fold it and on the other side I will use rolled hem, that is picot. It looks like this. Now on the rolled hem side, we will create gathers through machine. Keeping machine at the highest tension point, make a straight stitch there. And now take one thread from one side and pull it to create the perfect gathers. Now joining 3 parts of the frill together for one layer and then another 3 parts for another layer. Placing them right sides together and giving a straight stitch. Keeping this aside, take the main bodice, put it right side together and give a straight stitch at the open side. Now, turn it into the right side. We are going to attach the frill here, taking one layer of the frill and placing it on that yellow line we made earlier, using that yellow line to guide for the stitch forward and make a straight stitch here like this. At the end of the stitch, there is this open part of the frill that we will join back by straight stitching it like this. And also stitching this open part here. Now I will repeat the same step for the second layer of the frill. I will attach it at the end of the skirt in the same way.
And voila, my skirt is ready. I'm so happy with this cutesy creation and can't wait to wear it out. Thanks for watching.